In this video, I'll show you some Windows 11 settings you may want to disable. Open Settings from the Start menu. First go to Apps, click Startup. Disable any apps you don't want launching when your PC turns on. Next go to System, click Notifications. Turn off notifications from apps you don't need. Now go to Privacy and Security, open Diagnostics and Feedback. Review the optional diagnostic data settings and turn off anything you do not want enabled. Then go back to Privacy and Security, Recommendations and Offers. You can turn off personalized ads and suggested content if you don't want them. Finally, go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Disable taskbar items you don't use. And those are some Windows 11 settings you may want to disable.